Assalamualaikum dear students. Howdy. I hope you all will be good. So without wasting any time, we start in the video. So we have a very good video today, a short conversation for beginners. Alright. So let's get started. First is how's it going? First next is where's it going? How's it going? Means how is it going? The second is engo a clue. Engo a clue. Engo a clue means I have not got a clue. Alright. One thing is that in is used for I'm not. It's used for next sentence like I'm not, are not, have not. So that's why here I use engo a clue. And the third, you want me? You want me? Means, do you want me? The fourth is, you know her. You know her. Oh, you know her. Means, do you know her? Right? It's amazing, right? And the next is, sup. Hey, sup. Means, hey, what's up? And Alaska. Wait for a minute, I'll ask her. Wait for a minute, I'll ask her. I'll ask her. I'll ask her. Means I will ask her. Okay? Do you say it before? Do you say it before? Did you say it before? Means did you say? Alright? Do you say means did you say? What's that? What's that? Means what is that? What's that? What's that? Means what is the? What's that? What's that? Alright? So the next is how you know? How you know? How you know? Means how do you know? Delish. It's very delicious food. Mean it's very delicious food. That thing is my fave. Alright? Means fave is equal to favorite. You know what me? You know what me? You know what me? Means do you know what I mean? You know what you mean. You know what you mean. You know what you mean. Mean I don't know. What is your mean? You think? You think? Mean do you think? You reckon. You're con. You're con. Means do you reckon? Reckon is there used for believe. Alright. So it means that you believe, but in advanced English we say you're con. You're con. So it's a fast English how a foreigner or British accent or American accent people use these all short snazzies to say for big things. Alright, so don't forget to subscribe our channel for more updates. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.